So first step, I just woke up. I'm gonna get a quick workout in and then I'm gonna shower. Alexa's a call at 10 and then we're going to leave to go pick up the dress. So in the meantime, I need to paint my nails, shower, do my hair, makeup, all that good stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go take gown pictures today and I think it should be really fun. This is gonna be my first YouTube video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I'm all showered. And now it's time for hair, makeup, and nails. Did my nails. Next step, makeup. Okay, I just blew my hair dry and I'm going to eat breakfast. I made some avocado toast right there. Not the prettiest thing I've ever done, but yeah, I'm almost done. I just gotta put my mascara on. I did my nails. And then when Alexa's off of her phone call, she has an interview today, we're going to go pick up the gown. I need to get gas and potentially stop at DSW to get shoes. So yeah, that's about all I've gotten done so far. I'm gonna send a few emails too before I leave for work. But yeah, we're gonna go down to the Painted Mines. Should be fun. Okay, party people, I am ready to go. And let's see what Lexi Poo Poo is up to. She's off of her call. I'm vlogging. She is getting ready.
Hey, party gangsters.
Yes, so nails complete. Makeup done. Obviously I'm just wearing like a workout outfit because we're gonna go pick up the gown and shoes, but I didn't tell Alexa that yet. So, hey Alexa, we're gonna go shoe shopping. Yeah. She said okay. Whatever. She's down for whatevs. But yeah, so we're gonna get in the car and then we are going to skirt. We are driving like an hour and a half away, so go. There's a DSW on the way. I'm gonna pack snacks, my camera bag, snacks, lots of snacks, it's very important. And then go pick up the gown, and then we're gonna be off. I think they're called the Painted Mines. It's kind of by Colorado Springs, so that's where we're gonna head. And yes, we'll bring you along. Okay, we just drove down. Oh, she's grabbing her shoes. She's like laughing at me because I'm gonna force her to show you the shoes that she bought. But we just drove down to the Paint Mines. That's what it's called, right? Yeah.
I'm not.
The Paint Mines. And on our way we got shoes, so we're gonna show you. Do you wanna go or do you want me to go?
You go.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're good. Okay, these are the first pair I got. We are going for going out shoes that are not gonna murder our feet. So this is what we got. We got little strappy sandals with a little heel.
Strappy sandals.
Little strappy sandals. And then I got some Doc Martens sandals. So like catch me wearing these all the freaking time. I'm so excited. I love my boots, so these are gonna be killing it. Alright, go ahead.
Okay, so like you know earlier, Noelle surprised me with shoe shopping. And the reason behind this is, I don't know if she's told you, but last weekend I what do you call it? Wore broken shoes out. Like
they were platform sandals and they were broken in half. So the whole bottom part was just flapping off the entire time we were out.
Yeah, I'm really fashion forward and like to spend money on clothes, obviously. I don't, but so I got these shoes. I think they're pretty cute.
They replaced other ones. I like them.
Yep. And so those are the shoes. Dolce Vita. I don't know what that is. Hold on. Sorry, guys. And then I got Steve Madden too. I don't know who that is, but so these are discounted a lot. So they were originally not $100, $9.99. I got them for $29.99.
Oh, nice.
So they could be ugly, but we're gonna try to work with it because I kind of like them. I think they're kind of spunky, so we'll see.
So yeah, those are the shoes we got. So we're gonna just drive down to the other parking lot of the Paint Mines, and then we are going to start taking pictures. We just shot at the Paint Mines. This is where we're at. Say hello.
Peace.
I'm gonna show you the full dress. Can you hold this? Or can you show them the full dress? This is what she looks like. So yeah, the pictures I feel like are gonna turn out super cool. People are staring at us. A bunch of Actually, a bunch of people stopped and stared, but it was kind of fun because they were like, what's going on? So, 10 out of 10, recommend big gowns, fun towns.
Fun towns.
All right, and on to the next adventure.
Okay, hello guys.
We're driving.
My sunglasses do not stay on. Okay, Noelle's driving. And we are, I'm sorry, bad at this.
We're headed to sushi.
We're gonna go get sushi at iFish. It's called iFish and it's right in Denver.
iFish and ramen, and then afterwards we're gonna go by the Capitol building, take a few more pictures, and then go have a bunch of wine.
Yes.
This is what we got going on. Took pictures at the Civic Center Park.
Are you vlogging? Oh.
Yes, I was gonna vlog a little bit. Okay, while we walk. We'll walk and talk. Okay. We're going this way. We just took pictures at this park right up there, and now we're gonna go home. Oh, this is what I feel like probably people feel like on their wedding day.
Yeah.
Like, I was like, I gotta like scruff all this out, but I can't do it by myself. So yeah, Lex is carrying my
tail.
Oh, there's some guys like right by my car.
Well, luckily there's another car.
There's lots of cars. Okay, anyway, we're going home now. We're gonna have some wine, and dinner was great. It was delicious, and we got extras. Okay, we are home now. We are going to have some wine out on our balcony, so come on with everybody. Oh, it's locked.
I'm not double fisting, I just am carrying Noelle's.
Okay, we gotta refocus. Okay, so this is our view right now. Let's see here. Come on, focus. Very nice. We got the sunset going.
Over the mountains.
Okay, and oopsies. We're gonna close out the vlog here. So, what an eventful day.
Well, it's been an adventure, to say the least.
We drove like 3-4 hours down to like southern Colorado, and yeah.
We drove 2 hours down and then 2 hours back.
So 4 hours.
Total, yeah.
And then we went and had sushi and took some pictures downtown. Yeah.
Sunset, over the mountains, and drink our wine.
And yeah. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video because I tried to take other videos and I deleted them all. Cute for me. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and
see you next time.
We're out.
Like and subscribe.